So welcome to FlowerJoos. We're at the end of 2022 and I just want to take the opportunity to wish all of you a very happy Christmas, very happy holidays, however you like to celebrate them, and all the best for a very good 2023 new year. So thank you for watching. We've really appreciated all your comments, all the views that we've got, and we really honestly appreciate that. As you can see, I'm standing in my old workplace. I'm actually back here to work for Christmas, so until the new year, then stay safe and we hope to see you soon. Bye for now.